teacher, instructor there?
I am.
Good. Can you speak something?
Hi, welcome to our pour class. We poured watercolors today. And if you can tell, this is actually a cabbage.
Don't look at the rest of it.
Like this.
Oh.
That's what we're going for, a cabbage.
Good. Mhm.
So pretty much learning how to use watercolor and enjoying it, right, class?
Right.
Yes, yes.
Come a long way.
You're not only good. I see everybody's doing good.
Just having fun.
The back over there, who's
Those are mine.
is your this?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes. In a way, aren't these just a little bit like what is? Yeah.
I'm not sure I think it's cabbage. Even though I love cabbage.
Well, yours looks very artistic.
Yes.
Artistic, very artistic.
There you go. At least you didn't say that good
He's such a good mixer. You know, you don't just get green, but you can do melon if you mix that yellow. I'm gonna put some melon.
Each person
Everybody dance.
introduce each one.
Yes. Would you
What's
like
your
to say
name?
Your name. Gayla.
Gayla. Your? Dana. You? Two? Here. Say speak. Shari. Katie.
Sherry.
Sharon.
Carol Sue.
Terrence the instructor.
Yes.
Ju.
Mary.
Mary.
Hey.
Kai.
Glenda.
Good. What's the gentleman over there?
Mike.
Show me picture. Show me picture.
Get up here.
Mike.
Mike, get that picture up.
Good to see you guys. Thank you.